This video shows a quick and cheap fix for black leather with cracks or scuff marks. From this to this in just a couple of minutes. My name's Bruce and I'm the proud owner of a black 2013 XKR. This channel is designed to share the knowledge that I've gained while owning Sylvester James. And to help me make more videos, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell to be notified when I publish more videos. The real secret to this quick fix is liquid shoe polish. And the other secret is to seal the polish so it doesn't rub off on your clothes. Best to use a liquid polish with a foam applicator. I've used this one available in Australian supermarkets, or you could use Griffin's liquid shoe polish, which is available on Amazon. The link is in the description below. Get plenty of polish into the foam by pressing the applicator several times on an old rag. Gently wipe the sponge on the leather and fade out by hand to blend with the original colour. Rub into the cracks. It won't completely fill them, but it will hide those cracks. Work on small areas at a time and apply a little thicker to cover the scruff marks. If too thick, or if the colour is too strong, quickly remove with a really wet cloth. And if you've got stitching that's a different colour than black, be careful not to get the black onto it, or else wipe it off immediately. Let the polish soak in and dry. Then rub off with a vigorous polishing motion. You need to have a hard polished result before using a leather sealing conditioner. Apply the conditioner with a microfiber cloth and rub it in, but not too hard. Let the conditioner soak in for at least 30 minutes, better for longer. And when you polish off the conditioner, use a white cloth so you can check if any black is coming off. And if there is black on the white cloth, use the conditioner again until the white cloth stays clean when you're rubbing it off. I hope this quick video saves you the cost of expensive materials for recolouring your leather. And while learning a bit more about the XKR, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell to be notified when I publish more videos. Thanks for watching.